This is a story of wonder in nature and its power to heal and inspire creativity. Once upon a time, there lived a girl who lost her way. Everyone was always trying to tell her what to do, but what she really wanted was to know her own truth. She wanted to feel more creative. She wanted to feel more alive. She wanted to feel like she understood her own heart. And so on a whim, she began walking. One day, she followed a curious little rabbit and tumbled into a world full of wonder and enchantment. The rabbit told her that her heart was all around her, that all the answers she needed lay hidden in her surroundings. All she had to do was slow down and pay attention. Hello, my name is Amy Wan. I started walking to feel more alive and inspired, and this led to the creation of the deck for Wonder Walking, which sold out in 2 years. Since then, a pandemic has happened, and the world is much changed. There is a heaviness we're looking to shed. Many of us have made homes in new places, and our digital bubbles have grown noisier and more distracting. But the honest truth is, finding a slice of quiet in our everyday to contemplate and recalibrate has become increasingly difficult. Sometimes we need a little help, because it's all too easy to let life, work, or inertia fill all the empty spaces in our everyday. But when we do step outdoors for an adventure, it's always worth it. We come away more clear-headed, rejuvenated, and overflowing with ideas. And so with this deck, I wanted to make it easier and more fun to practice wonder in the wild and share with others all the ways I've found it for myself. There are 48 cards in the deck, inspired by paintings made in the wild, with a little word prompt to inspire your wonder walking. Pick a card and then step outside. Slow down and watch the magic come alive all around you. The hardcover guidebook goes deeper into the practice of wonder walking, with detailed activities and journaling prompts to help you cultivate your own rituals. You will learn all about adventuring in wonder, what to bring along with you, and how to walk with the seasons. It's everything I've wanted to share about finding enchantment and filling our creative cups so that we feel more fulfilled and excited about life. But beyond that, wonder walking is a journey home to our humanity. Back this Kickstarter and help me bring lightness back into our world. Because a world that lives in wonder cares deeply for nature and our communities, thinks and sees more creatively. And that is a world more peaceful and emphatic, more in touch with their hearts, more determined to solve the problems we collectively face. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.